Hey guys, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to exactly pay on Temu so you can start shopping hassle-free. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to browse Temu's amazing collection of products. Once you find what you want, just tap Add to Cart. Simple, right? When you're ready to check out, tap on the cart icon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll review your items, adjust quantities or remove anything that you don't need. Next, enter your shopping address. Make sure it's accurate so the order gets to you without any hiccups. Now, choose your payment method. Temu supports a variety of options including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and more. Pick what works best for you. After filling in your payment details, just tap Pay to complete your order. That's it, you'll get an order confirmation and your items will be on their way. And that's how you pay on Temu. Fast, easy, and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy shopping!